a pretty dumpling contest. So who make the prettiest dumpling?
If me no have teeth, and me have the dumplings up. That's what me they have. My God.
I go create the fireside in the water.
In the water?
Yeah, in the water. So we want the nice waterfall as the background.
Granny-lin enjoy yourself in the river.
Now I'll show you now say
Fire can make up for water.
thick can't wet and fire make anyway. So this is where we chop up the wood for the fire.
Man, a finger now. While the chicken being seasoned over here, the coconut is being grated in fine style over there. So just look at that view. Alright, the time for truth. Guys, me gonna be honest. Me say, me tell colors if it not taste good. Me gonna tell him say it not taste good and I'm gonna stop cooking. But I just want to take a look at my grandma right now. She's living her best life.
One sitting growing on a tree in a pod, like peas. And we call it jankra bead. When we are kids, we pick them up, walk and pick them up and take them make all kind of stuff.
One already, two and drive. Hey fam, welcome back to another Rochielin video. Today we're on a country vlogging excursion and I'm here with somebody special that you guys know and love. And I'm not even gonna say anything else than just for showing who it is.
Take your time, Isa. Take your time, no joke. Hey man, big up Rochielin. You don't know, it's been a while since we do that link up here.
Right.
But not before time, you know? One Father God, God is the greatest.
Right. If you don't know who this is, yeah, live on the rock obviously, but just in case, this is Color Smith from Color Smith TV and we're here in Portland, Jamaica. I'm also joined by the famous duo, Granny-lin and Tavia-Lin and Rochielin. And we're here in Portland, Jamaica. I'm about to have a great time. We're about to have good vibes, good energy, and big things. So I want you to make sure you subscribe to his channel as well. Like, comment, and share, and just keep watching. Alright? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
go.
I wanted it.
Isa, take your time, no joke.
Alright.
Rochielin traveling the four corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant your man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin. No, I want to take a look here. Look on this goat. On the side of the hill, you know? This is some organic goat right here, so organic food. No fertilizer. Yeah, I might eat all greens. So you know, so when you get a curry goat, that one is healthy. So, may I look on the goat right here, so just to enjoy himself. And I was thinking that, you know, when they're ready for curry him, I'm not gonna be healthy, but Tavia says a female goat and they don't cook female goats. I didn't know that.
Not necessarily so you don't cook them, but we can't eat off all of them other them. Where you get the meal them from?
So all this time, all of the curry goat them will eat a male curry goat mostly?
Not necessarily, but it's better to do males because one male can service a lot of female. But if you do away with the females, what we are going to do? We can't reproduce. Can't reproduce.
So, can you tell the difference between a female and a male goat? When you're eating it, a cooked female.
Some people say so, I don't know. Some people.
You know what I'm saying? I'm like the man one rank or something so. I feel like all goat rank. Goat just rank.
No man of the ram goat rank.
Can you tell the difference between a male and a female goat when it cook?
Man goat then say rank, no.
But you can't really tell. Alright, so no me alone then. Alright, cool. Me wonder.
Yeah. Curry catch them and still curry goat.
Right.
Sometimes they give you a sheep and say a goat.
Exactly.
Right. If you're currently in Jamaica or planning a trip to Jamaica, pause. I found the perfect place for you. It's called Jasmine Palms at Miramar, located in Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's a stunning 3-bedroom townhouse that blends modern luxury with Caribbean charm. It's pretty spacious, stylish, and equipped with everything you need. There's also AC in every room, which is a lifesaver in this heat. There's a fully equipped kitchen and a washer dryer. Trust me. This place feels like home, but with serious hotel vibes. There are 3 bedrooms with 5 beds, so you know there's space for the whole crew. And the master suite has a king-size bed, mood lighting, a private balcony with ocean views, and a spacious ensuite bathroom with a jetted tub and large standing shower. As a guest, you get access to the pool, the gym, and even concierge services. And the location? You're just minutes from the airport, beaches, restaurants, nightlife, and Montego Bay's hottest attractions. Whether you're exploring Doctor's Cave Beach or ghost hunting at Rose Hall Great House, Jasmine Palms is your home away from home. This is your sign to book your dream stay. You can click the link that's located directly below this video to book this exact home, and when you do, please tell them that Rochielin sent you. Also, if you want to see a full tour of this beautiful home, I'll leave a link below as well. Alright, thank you, and let's get back into the video.
Yeah guys, check in. So, wanna know me already, Colors, and you know me I follow Rochielin channel for a long while, and me finally get the chance to do a collab with her. You know, we in a Portland with the boat land. Me I follow you from you there like probably 30k or something like that, or even less. Yeah. Yeah man, me and the Taylor Farms. You're supposed to know the Taylor Farms. One of my brethren from town. But we are follow your channel. You're supposed to know Mr. Richie. Him not do YouTube, but you don't know him like that. Well, him big, yeah man, him follow you.
But me see your comments from something from long time.
Yeah.
Respond to some of them.
Yeah man. Me always like when you edit your video, them and me realize you use, you know, big camera and things. So me always in that. So me always follow you up on that journey, you know, and follow your story. Me even follow you up too when you migrate and all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah man, when you have your baby and everything. Me follow you, yeah man. So yeah man. So me one fan from long time. Yeah. So we're there today.
When you had the phone videos.
Yeah.
When you had the tech reviews from
Nice,
them long time.
Yeah.
From when you and your wife for the things.
Yeah.
No one.
Yeah man, that is it man, that is it. So me there here with part of my team and not the full team because it's a weekday and usually we link up on a weekend. Alright? So me I borrow for them time right now. Yeah man, so this a climber. Come up no man. Yeah man, climber adventure. Yeah man, him are the one where live with me. So that one I like my son, you know? Yeah. Him would have been the newest member of the team. It's a Ratty Adventure and Lifestyle. She don't have a channel yet.
Ratty Auntie, you need to get with it. Name it Ratty Auntie.
This is our lovely shopkeeper turn YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yeah, the best shopkeeper.
Fresh bun them.
It's then there, man. When we don't have the money, we can come and trust until we have money to pay.
Both fat worm.
So, these are the great socks. Yeah, man, that one, yeah.
Socks, you know.
Yeah, fully.
No joke.
Yeah, man, that one, I like my brother say me because you don't know where I come from. Far, like literally far. Before YouTube, before all of that. And the other guys, them not there. They have Papi, you have Kanta, and T-Bag. So we are going to just go to the river and just cook up some food and have a nice time. Yeah, so stay tuned for that.
I'm not on a team, but my grandmother and my cousin there. I'm my team that. We'll wait a little bit and then we're going to head up. Oh, here.
See that okay?
She wants to okay?
You know.
Alright, so we're going up the hill. Oh, damn. We found them patrol, man. We're going up the hill and go to the river. Let me show you guys the road. This take a proper vehicle, four-wheel vehicle, for do this every day. Yo. Yeah, sure. I know the camera coming. One already, two on drive. Jesus Christ, the pot that mashed up. Yo, that was so rocky, but that was fun. It was fun. All right, so we're about to make the trek through the bushes to head to the river. And that's kind of exciting to me. I don't know why. Even though it probably gonna be a long walk, but I'm kind of excited for it. And see everybody ready up?
Ready long time.
Ready, like Freddy. I see that we go with the pot. And a cutting board is? A cutting board a biggie?
We carry hoses, man.
No, me no want you hurt yourself. So
Yeah,
me
you
carry
did.
my shit. What you say about Bunny?
Yeah, you did.
Make sure you take your time though.
Yes.
Alright, so we're ready up with some big potter. I know the food are go sweet because the pot big. Alright. Going through the mountain, going through the sea. You feel like it has slide down? Look, I chop through the mountain, you know. Through the air. That's Tavia with her cutlass. Tavia used to this still. Cutlass life. And Tavia, anybody come mess with you, let's chop them up. Fine, mince them up. Thank God, if we. But we take our time and go. We take our time and come. It's Granny-lin the round behind me. And now I have to take time. The others gone ahead. But I tell you, anytime I come to these country vlogs, it's always a workout. Which I encourage because we need it. Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. Land we love. Enjoying the hills, going through the bushes. I don't see no tree. When I recognize it, I hear water. So I feel like we're close to the river because I hear some water. When I reach, me hear water after me, I say, me hear water, so it sound like we reach. Oh, when I reach.
Alright, so this is where a lot of the nearby locals, you know, come for bathe, wash, catch water for drink. This is a spring, by the way, as you can see. And ever since me know myself, this has been here, never dry. The water never cut down, you know, natural. This is it. And it's really cool. Right now you can just go right there and taste the water. And it's almost frigid, especially in the night. You come and bathe, cool after.
Wow. So this will come from the river?
Well, it's a spring, but it's coming from that way. It's a spring, it's coming from underground. Yeah.
Okay.
So they set up this so nobody pass here. All the activities, you come here, so you pull your bottle, you bathe, whatever it is. Yeah.
But I could carry some empty water back man, and full up.
Really cool and nice, trust me.
Mm. Alright, you see the perks of being and living in Jamaica. You have this all to yourself. Alright. So that even somebody at the laundry, people come to them laundry and bathe and all of that. Oh, but where I go? Cross.
Just careful when you reach us, yeah?
No, so I need I need to put on the cutting board.
If you step in the water, you can put it.
Like I need to put on the cutting board, I can walk past, cross it.
I want to choose if we wait for up.
Why you come and refer in a good boot? Yeah.
Nobody can cross it. Okay, who understand it?
Ah, make me go down and hold it on, mama. Oh yeah, go down.
Guys. In the name of come. Run, 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 run. No, no, my time. Come here, come on.
We made it across the river. Across the spring. And now we got through. We're still going.
I'm gonna go and carry on, I'll be on, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going back all the time.
They said there's a pump house. This is what they call a pump house.
Oh man, it looks like you gotta catch water and feel tight and then I'm still down.
Oh, look, there are houses in here. Look at that. People live through here, you know?
Then could make some more of them like this. Because it's nice.
What, the walkway? What's that? Hey, the cutlass lady, I use a cutlass, no? Yeah. The cutlass lady run her back, I cut up, you know? And chop her way through. I wonder if somebody live in there, sir. This look like police station, sir. Blue and white. Yeah, or water commission, right? I don't know. No. For all the family members that are not in Jamaica, hope you're enjoying this video. Looking out at the greenery and seeing the lush vegetation and seeing all the greenery, seeing the sunlight, enjoying what God gave to us here. I know it's probably cold where you are. Probably really is. And that's why I'm here. I'm sorry, but at least enjoy through me. You know? Look at that. Say it louder. Hey, we're walking. We walk on them. Look at skinny concrete something now.
Someone down right here.
We still I got you, you know.
We got you.
What you say, Tavia?
Paradise better on you.
I got you. Watch your man.
Man over life struggles, man. Pick a struggle. Which one you want? Pull up, step down in there, sir. And bed down. Yes.
Careful. What I have to pick up now?
Was sitting growing on a tree in a pod, like peas,
Uh-huh.
and we call it junk crab bead. When we are kids, we pick them up, walk and pick them up and take them make all kind of something.
Okay.
String them up and make, see the pod here, where it grow into,
Yeah.
and when it's ready, it bursts open,
Right.
and all of these little red things fly out.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
That's the tree up there, sir? I ate this. Oh. Okay.
You have different types of junk beet too. You have some smaller ones.
Yes,
Oh, yeah?
and it red and black.
Yeah, red and black, right?
I've seen those ones. Yeah. All right. Come along.
Nice. Yeah, the Rasta man them put them
Put them in the gourdy.
in wood and make
Yeah.
shaker.
Godi is the
Calabash thing,
calabash.
yeah.
That's something that I ask.
Yes, man, on Glen Woods, you find them, you know. Junk crab bead. I would,
So they're in a real
yeah,
forest.
I wouldn't mind if Mrs. Saw old orchid, you know. Even wild orchid.
You know, long you look orchid. She look orchid and rose. You know, no orchid and rose down here.
No, stop.
Come, mama, people down the back of here. Mama,
You I have left them for and come back home.
Oh, look. There's water down there. We're getting closer and closer and closer. Guys, we're still a going. Still a go. It's a journey indeed. Yeah, man. Guys, it looks like we're finally approaching our destination. The light at the end of the tunnel. Oh my god. What? How are you seeing now?
This is so nice.
Hey, that's a bush right now.
What kind of plant this? Cocoa.
Oh, this is pretty. Let's go up on this one.
Alright, we made it. Oh yes, we made it. Look at that. We are here. Let's look at the river and the water flowing. We finally made it, huh?
Alright, this is twin sister. You know, I also teach a lot of way how to swim. Come and take a look at the actual river. Yeah. So we usually stay from here, so we jump, we dive, all of that. That 3 year reset, well, it fall down in the river probably about 5 or more years now. And we just leave it and just use it as, we just go up on it, go sit down, jump off it, dive off it, just the same. You know? It did it right up here, so one swing song did it on it back in the days. But yeah.
Look at this, I'm gonna throw the pot down. Wow! It made it. It sank! It sank! May I see it? Where is it?
Look at it now, may I see it again? See them one. I actually have to come on.
I don't know them because I said the pot cover of them and I see it. Anyways, this is down there, so that's where the cooking is about to happen. So it's just a fast and quick way to get the pot down there without having to take it down the truck like where that lady is going. But yeah, you go pour more? You throw more down there? Wow. Alright, I'm going to throw the coconut to watch. Ah, it floats! And then the rest of it they're gonna carry it out. So we're about to go down now to get started.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Just a pause to remind you that if you're looking for authentic, traditionally made Jamaican black castor oil, we've got you covered. You can get it from Dumpling at www.dumpling.com. I'll leave a link to it in the description bar below. So that's your authentic, traditionally made Jamaican black castor oil. Also, a lot of you have always been asking me about my Jamaican necklace that I almost never take off. So this is it with the pendant. It's a map of Jamaica, and it has all 14 parishes written on it. That is also available on Jimbalin's website. I will leave a link to both the castor oil and the necklace in the description bar below, so you can go get them for yourself. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Now let's get back into the video.
Alright guys, so there's an easier way, but this is the shorter way. Anyways, I'm not ready to get wet yet. So I'm going to walk right here so and come down. And then we're going to set the fireside in the water so that you guys can see. And then we look for firewood them, catch the fire, cook with coconut dumpling and with chicken. Now this cooking is not going to be very long because you all know dumpling and chicken are simple thing, right? So stay tuned and watch how I go on.
And come down there, so. You shop me turn, so? How me I come front where? I'm afraid. Oh my god, this is so scary. I can't step better, sir. No, I'm gonna drop.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop. Okay. Alright, we made it. Thank you. Alright. Woo! Jesus, the water cold. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my god, it looks so much better from down here. That's so pretty. Oh my god, it feels good though. Cool, but it feels good. No, guys, if you have never been here before, you have to come and check this out. Just look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. Like it was quite a trek, but once you reach, oh my god, it's so worth it.
Alright guys, so we're there with the team and like I said, we are going to create the fireside in the water.
In the
So,
water.
yeah, in the water. So we want the nice waterfall as the background. So
Right.
meanwhile we put there as a cook, we have all of that in the background.
Listen, this is luxury. To be able to do that and have the waterfall in the back,
Yeah.
that's luxury.
Alright, so how we are going to actually do this, we are going to use the stones. Alright, we do this many times before. So, you ready? So we have to pack the base of the fire. Essentially, when we're done, we're not supposed to have no water
Right,
interfere with the fire.
right.
Come, Maurice. Stone, pass the stone then.
Have you guys ever seen cooking in the river before? Have you guys ever done this before? I want you to comment below and let me know
Put
if this
you
is
on
the
the side.
first time. And if you haven't seen Color Smith TV before, now is a good time to subscribe to his channel. The link is in the description bar below. But just look at them
Put them
packing
in the
it.
mix. Put that one
Like
around
the
there.
pot is literally gonna be sitting right there with the waterfall in the background. How cool is that?
So this is the first step, guys, to actually pack the base of the fire and block out all of the water using the stones. So you start off with your big stone them and then you use the smaller stone them to pack the middle. It's like you build a foundation.
Right.
So as you can see already, we start take shape.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, I want some smaller one in I go.
Yeah, them a packet
All
in a
them
man.
small one you can take up. Them small one.
And while they do that, just look at this beautiful waterfall.
Yeah, so we basically can light the fire upon this now. Yeah. So we are gonna do now, we are go ahead and look some firewood. Alright.
So we find the firewood in the water here.
Yeah man, we are gonna do everything in the water.
But like the firewood, when the wood wet, how
No,
you
stick
light
can't
it?
wet.
How you light it if it wet?
Stick can't wet. We are gonna show you. We are gonna show you.
Alright, we're gonna see.
We cook in a rain, we cook in a all different type of weather.
Yeah.
And we are demonstrate that today. So we are gonna purposely chop up the wood in the water.
Alright. As you can see, the packing of the wood is
Touch
taking place right behind me. We're gonna do everything in the water. How cool is that?
Alright, so now that we fireplace ready,
Yeah.
we'll go ahead and look the firewood them. Alright? When we get the firewood, we'll come back here so with them and just get straight into the action.
Straight into the action.
Yeah,
I can't wait.
that is it.
Alright, I'm gonna look for wood to light the fire. Oh, let's see what we'll find.
The pizza. Yeah, something if it dry. Like I show say it dry, no? It's cock.
Rochielin, you know. It color, but look what I've still. When we are Rochielin here, I'm going to take them simple, yeah? Them good old renta yam and them good old spinach, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
In a moment body same way.
Yeah.
Them good old spinach same way.
Yeah.
You understand in a moment body, you see she active.
Yeah.
And then good old cocoa same way, stand up in her.
Yeah.
You understand? And then good old corn same way. Cause so it's in set up, you know. Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is just a number, friend. So you see how she move active. Like that. That's a part of her prerogative. Yeah.
Yeah. So you active too?
What?
Yeah.
In many ways.
Yeah. Only for your man dashing and coconut
Yeah,
your body.
same way.
Alright.
Everything there, same way. Yeah.
So what you name?
Jabby, otherwise as Jabot. But them, otherwise, they call me Jabot for regular, but I will change the name there as Wildlife. Jabby, Wildlife, otherwise name as Jabot. At that time, my subscriber name when I go put in. So people, I just say go because it's a wildlife we live. So I that name them I go give my thing.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah.
I just levels there with it.
So we have to all here and big up colored same way, see me TV same way, me international youth. You understand with it?
Right.
Can't left him out.
Right.
And one of a kind, yeah?
Right.
So me like how you develop with him, peace, perfect peace, yeah? And that's the one. I'm blessed and harmony, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself.
Yeah.
This tech skills, you know. Look at this.
I'm gonna be on fire.
Yeah, this time I pack. This is where the photographer.
So now that we have everybody here and everybody watching, now I'll show you now say
Fire can make up for water.
thick can't wet and fire make anyway. So this is where we are chop up the wood for the fire. See? Stick here long, you know, so I'm going to try to chop him up so we can get him. Alright, gonna watch me good, you know. Watch me good. All who think I no real water on the look. Yeah. Same people, bath him first. Right here, them footballer style. I want to say I can't play ball. Alright, so I think I want to see the stick them get a watery bath a while ago.
Right, them fully wet.
Yeah man, we baptize them. Alright, so we'll go ahead and catch a fire now meanwhile. Socks are clean up the chicken and then climb I'll go ahead and oxy coconut for grate it. We now light the fire right now because chicken not done yet and the coconut not grated for the dumpling. So stay tuned, soon check in back.
Alright, so now I'm there with socks. I clean up the chicken. And what we added to the chicken? What we added to the chicken today?
Some curry.
Curry chicken.
Yeah.
So now fried chicken. Me hear say you make the baddest fried chicken now.
Yeah, you know a fried chicken you know do?
Yeah.
Choo.
Choo.
A fried chicken?
Yeah, fried chicken.
It's baking powder come? Yeah, fried today.
Curry,
Yeah.
And a fried chicken me I look forward to. Alright, so curry chicken it is then.
Yeah.
I mean, say you have the baddest fried chicken, and I say, yeah, I'm finally going to taste the fried chicken and say if I chew them at all. That's a disappointment, but are you have the baddest curry chicken too?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wicked is. I must say my mother a chef, you know.
That's true?
Say yeah.
Are your mother Miss Little?
For my mother passed away a good while now.
Oh, my condolences.
Yeah, so I left it there in her DNA.
Yeah.
Yeah, long time I cook, man.
Between me and you, who are the best chef out here? You better than Colors?
No, man, the whole way I see him thing, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, wickedest coconut dumpling, you link Colors.
Yeah.
Wickedest fried chicken, you link me. Wickedest frying fish, you link Papi.
Yeah. So that means that everybody have them strong suit. Everybody have an area where them focus on.
Everybody.
Basically. And you had
video. Can't do video reel.
yeah.
T-bag a man where you can call pan and say you go match up this outer road till Barsico.
Right.
Yes, everybody.
Everything
with them match up.
I like that. I like when we work together as a team and everybody just do for them part to make the whole thing work. That's how it should be. If more people did work together like that, The country would have better. The world would have better.
Food.
Alright. We love it. So you're chicken man.
A fried chicken boss.
Fried chicken boss.
Custom in the night. Day night DNA, you understand?
Yeah. Alright, so this is Socks, the fried chicken boss. I clean up the chicken, I get it ready.
Let us go over Socks. The great Socks invention. I want to see how I custom the chicken in the understand?
I just love the waterfall in the backdrop. Love, 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 love it. I don't know if you can see, but some baby up there with Tavia them standing in the distance and enjoying. Wait, let me take the cutlass from between your foot.
Let me stir it. I'll blow out the water to blow out the fluid.
Shall drink the water? But the water throw, man. Let me taste it.
Looks like jelly.
Sweet?
In between.
Kind of freshish.
Yeah.
Not we and the coconut we for greater. Man, a finger now. Come, sir. You're not far with it from the road. To get to the hospital.
Alright, so the trick is you want to get the tip of the knife underneath one edge of the coconut. So once you do that, you just stick it and you don't have to put much pressure on it. And you just rotate the wrist and you get it out quick and easy like that. Save the coconut shell because it blazes really nice. And we just do that for the rest of the coconut. Quick and fast, and we'll get them out. This is the last piece, and then we are going to hand it over to Climber, who is going to grate the coconut. So this is it. Nice, fleshy, and meaty coconut. Alright, that is it, so stay tuned. Put it on the board.
Check in people so you season up the chicken and now. You know some Maggi. And man, we have a season to the bone, you know.
What kind of season that?
This soak right through flesh to the bone.
Oh, what kind of season this?
Season to the bone.
What's that name?
Yeah. So we know you have to use, you can't use enough of it, you know, you have to use a little bit because it's salt.
So while the chicken being seasoned over here, the coconut is being grated in fine style over there. So just look at that view. Let me try to zoom in so you guys can see a little better. Look at that. Okay. You ever see coconut being grated like this? What's that? The man them full of style. That's such a beautiful shot. So while the food is being seasoned and everything is being prepared, we're just over here side chill.
Oh, you mean?
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh, you mean?
Granny-lin by the riverside. She said, oh, me I come a river, I have to come in out of water.
Yeah.
And she like this kind of river where it's actually flowing and it's not still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in rocks.
Right. Yeah. Places where you can actually sit down. It's actually a public holiday today. But thankfully, a lot of people are not here. Kind of concerned that it would have been full, so it would have been hard for light the fire. But I don't know if because it's hidden, but it's cool. I like it. It's so pretty.
It's better.
Yeah.
It's better because it's not crowded.
Right. It's so beautiful. Yo, the season's strong.
Yeah. Scotch bonnet.
Smell good.
Another family up top. Another set of persons up top with children as well.
Right.
Having lots of fun.
And my baby is here. My baby come everywhere with me. In fact, I need to go check for him. So, that's the setting down there. That's where I was just now, where Granny-lin is. The colors and climber in the middle there. So climber great to the coconut and the waterfalls. She doing its thing. Anyways, my baby is up top. So, me come check on him now. Alright, so them light the fire down there, so I'm far from there. But let me try for zoom. There we go. Look at that, the fire is lit. Alright, so I'm up top. See the activities going behind me. I'm about to head back down there now to get closer to the action. I just don't feed the baby, so I'm going to take the check and go back down there. To go down now. Alright. I'm take my almost find it. Alright, see that? I'm telling the side steep, you know. See there, so that's what I need to go all the way down there to get there, but let's try. Let's try to do it. Look over there, so the fire catch up, but I can go closer. I reach back down upon the river, and down here smell good. The seasoning good, everything smell. Fire light, let me show you. Alright, so we're closer to the river, and we're closer to the fire now. Fire catch.
We'll put on the coconut milk, guys. And we're going to make the coconut milk boil before we start putting the dumpling. Because the coconut milk are going to give the dumpling the taste and the flavor. And we're going to show you guys when we are seasoning it up and all of that. You're going to see it. You're going to taste it for yourself. Yeah.
Can't wait. We can't wait. Malcolm. Alright, so that's the coconut milk. I go up on the fire.
Nice. Go buy a pot now, go and see.
Right, coconut. Look at Granny-lin enjoying herself. Rotted. I nearly drop. Yeah. Okay. Upon Granny-lin enjoy herself in the river. And look what she wearing. One of the old time Rochielin shirts. Always representing, you know. The new shirts coming soon.
Alright, so we're going to start knead up with dumpling.
Okay.
4 pounds of flour. So a lot of people, when they hear about coconut dumpling, they think we put the coconut
in the dumpling. Right. That's what I think, so you didn't need the coconut in it too.
No. St. Vincent people, them do it that way.
Right.
But we don't do it that way. How we do it? Put them back in our pocket. I don't want to flip on the place. How we do it? We boil the coconut milk. So we get all our flavor from the coconut milk itself. Yeah.
I mean, that makes sense too.
Yeah.
But I think, so you not use the coconut juice? No, like the juice for knead the dumpling.
No,
You ever think about doing it that way there?
we do it like that already. Two reasons why I not do it like that. When we need it with the actual milk,
Yeah.
it tends to be like too sweet, like literally too sweet.
Sweet dumpling.
Yeah.
Ah.
But when we do it like this now, we use fresh water because the coconut milk, once it boil down, you get a sweetness from it. So you don't want it to over sweet.
Right.
Yeah, you just want it to balance. And that's the reason why we do it like this.
But tell her the truth tonight, you're the only person me ever hear with coconut dumpling. But I'm a coconut lover, all things coconut.
Yeah, man,
So it excites me for for learn about there's a thing called coconut dumpling. I've never heard of it before.
Yeah, this today is gonna be you gotta taste it for
The
yourself.
best thing me ever eat. Oh, I got.
Hopefully. So you will tell me how it actually tastes at the end of
I am
today.
so excited. You guys have no idea. I don't even know if you can see the excitement, but it did it. It did it. It did it.
So quick and fast, we're gonna
So you put like seasoning, like the skeleton and thing them in there. Another kind of dumpling there.
in the pot.
In the pot.
Right.
Ah.
We're gonna season up the pot in a minute, but we just make the coconut juice go and boil. Right. Because we want it to actually boil up first before we start dropping anything.
Listen, man, just the fact that coconut in it alone, me can already tell that it's gonna taste good.
Yeah, man, trust me. This is gonna be one of the best dumpling ever have. Me guarantee that.
Hey, Emma, put him neck on the black feet, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, even I said the best. Yeah, said at
The
the best.
best.
You're not so you're confident in that then way there,
Confident,
100%.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
And we have different versions of the coconut dumpling. We use sometimes.
Me see I make one with pumpkin one time.
Yeah. Or callaloo or whatever it is.
Oh,
Same
damn.
process, but
Yeah.
sometimes we just change it up a bit.
Yeah, I have to add look a style.
Right.
Yeah.
We use beetroot, any vegetable
Whoa,
basically.
beetroot, it come out pink.
Yeah,
Wonky George. Natural food coloring.
natural.
I love that. I love that. I eat some pink dumplings still. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. So, when was the first time you actually started making coconut dumpling and what made you start making coconut dumpling? Because this is not something where widely made in Jamaica. And a rice and peas and a chicken and a curry chicken. It's different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So me grew up on this in the farm that, in the sense that my mother used to do this when we couldn't afford like meat kind. So in order to give the food flavor,
Right.
she used her coconut.
Right.
But me add my little twist on it, like by seasoning it up different. You know, me take something good and make it better basically.
Right.
Yeah. So I grew up on coconut dumpling, man. You know?
And what other coconut meals you normally make? Is it just a dumpling where you add the coconut too?
No, basically we put coconut in like literally everything we do. Like we put coconut in a curry, chicken, we put coconut in a soup, any little thing we
Coconut
do.
in a soup. That
Yeah,
one
man.
sound different.
Yeah, man, you get a nice soup when you put your coconut in it. Red pea soup or just regular soup. You know,
I
just
like. I've
a
had
little-
coconut in stew peas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't have them soup
makes
without the
sense.
coconut.
Yeah.
So, as me say, coconut is like gold, you know?
It is gold.
The gold of
Honestly.
the food world.
But some people say if you think me not like you, just dip yourself in some coconut. And the chances of me liking you just go up.
Yeah, man.
I joke.
Man,
I
coconut
love
is,
coconut, man.
yeah. Alright, so we basically finished kneading out the dough now.
Right.
And we're going to check on the pot to see if it's actually,
Ready.
boiling up. And then we're going to season up the...
Yo, the water is so nice and cool. I'm love how everybody just here just enjoy themselves. You know, them with them own little friend groups and I do them thing. I love it. Love it.
This is what, a lot of people missing right now.
Right.
The real authentic nature
Right.
outdoors,
Unpolluted.
Right.
Up in the woods, in the bushes.
Yeah, sometimes
Clean
we
air.
just go far away, like we literally go way up in the hills.
Right.
Just to have that peace of mind. We are alone up there.
Right.
No distraction, no vehicle noise, anything, any sound, a natural sound.
I love that. I love natural, soothing, authentic Jamaican sounds. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And breeze, that's cool. Because when I was up top, it wasn't so cool like when it come down here.
Yeah,
So
some of the breeze coming off of the fall
the
itself.
fall.
Nah, yeah.
Yo, Jamaica nice, you know?
Yeah, man. Nice.
Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice. The place is beautiful.
Alright, so we're ready now. And we're going to check on the pot.
Alright.
Alright, so catch us over the fireside, guys.
Alright.
So right now, guys, as you can see, look, the pot is boiling, and that's what we want. Right? Coconut milk boiling up, so we're going to add some natural seasoning. So in this, we have thyme, sweet pepper, scale lemon, onion, and some scotch bonnet. So we just add all of that in. And as you can see, not a lot of liquid in the pot. Right? So now we can actually start getting the flour then. Alright, so we're actually just gonna put the dumplings in. Want to know my settings already? Roll and press. No long wasting of time with kneading and fine tuning, but at the end of the day, we're dumpling them neat and nice. So if you're looking at the pot, you can literally see the custard from the coconut.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna do a dumpling. I just feel like it's like nice and soft.
So people look for a dumpling versus mine. We need to go for a pretty dumpling contest.
I'm not Christian.
So who make the prettiest dumpling?
Listen, alright, look.
And I one press me, I press mine, you know, guys.
Alright, look. Which one look better?
Only just remember, say all I dumpling them were ugly, and I met them.
No, mine look good. Alright, look. Well, on, the man now come on, take me from. Alright, look.
Ratty, come hold this for me there, Ratty.
Done, we give up.
And you know, I make the dumpling them too tight either. You want them to just nice and soft and balanced.
I don't think them always soft still enough.
Yeah.
Maybe because them make good, but them soft. You don't tell nobody say me actually.
Well, people give me the title, but me like to call myself a creative cooker, you know?
But I just wanting to take a look at my grandma right now. She's living her best life. You see, I cherish moments like these where she get to have these experiences and just enjoy her life and enjoy herself, you know. We're all here on this earth for do a couple of things, and one of them is to enjoy herself. And I'm happy that I'm able to afford these experiences for her. I'm able to give her these experiences so that she can relax a little bit. Because this is what it's all about. I love it. Look at her. I'm just so happy seeing you like this. I'm happy you're enjoying yourself. May I baptize you again? I'm come baptize. I'm come dip you good. Me happy say you enjoy yourself. Me soon come dip too. Me think me need a dip. The water is nice and cool. Alright, so I'm gonna try pushing some of these wood. Because some of them are drop out. I'm gonna get clear instruction to push them in. Make sure so them not come. Oh, wanna come out there, so. Hold on there. Me no want push off the pot, you know? Alright, I think I'm gonna take them in now.
We're almost finished now. Not too much.
Looks like it's gonna taste great. But fire hot. What is fire in the eye. Now let's do this again.
Alright, so I'll get this. I'll get this. And let's see what you're using today. What do you think of the purpose?
That's all?
Nice, nice.
This is my lick off the pot.
This is our dish towel with nature.
Yeah, yeah. But
Yeah, so when you encounter with wood fire, we have a lot of smoke and that give the food flavor as well.
the smoky
Nice
flavor.
smoky flavor. So there you go. Pot the pan fire, pot a bubble. I would just have go and wait for me.
I'm excited. Now for the chicken.
And I'm looking at the pot, and at this point, you can just see how much the sauce gone down and it get thick. Now that is what we want. So we are going to take off the pot, and then we can put on the curry chicken. So let's do this. Put the pot right here. Come Sax, your time. Alright, so I want to get a look in at the pot now. So you can see the sauce get thick. And at this point you can eat the dumpling without anything. This is how we used to eat it when we grew up. No meat, just like this. Anyways, we have curry chicken today, so we're going to put on the pot for that.
Curry chicken well seasoned and ready to go on the fire. Burning the curry before starting the curry chicken. I don't know how true it is, but I know when I said prevent it from having running belly. So that's what he's doing right now. So he is grating the pumpkin inside of the curry. never see this before. Why you get the pumpkin? Ah, instead of pumpkin make the curry thicker. I mean, I've cut up pumpkin before, and carrots and Irish, but I've never grated it. So we're almost at the finish line. It's on the last steps, the last part of the journey. To grate the pumpkin, allow it to cook down a little bit, and then we're ready for share and eat this with the coconut dumpling. And I'm just so excited. And it's just been a beautiful day. The river nice. Everybody just enjoy themselves. And I'm happy that it didn't start raining. So thank God, I pray that God will up the rain, because last week when we were supposed to come it rained. But now we're here, nothing before it's time, and it's just a beautiful day. Yeah, ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's how I feel.
Suppose that they turn over. Listen. There's a support that they just turn over now. Alright, the time for truth.
Alright, so more you taste it with just the sauce first.
That's the dumpling by itself.
Right, by itself, and then tell us how it tastes before you start eating it.
Guys, me gonna be honest. Me tell Colors if it not taste good, me gonna tell him say it not taste good and I'm gonna stop cooking. I feel like it tastes good. So let's see. Now the plate hot.
Let's go on. Whoa! How it tastes?
Yeah, bingo. It tastes, oh my god, it tastes so. The plate is hot, son, it's a handbag, me so. Sure. It thanks. Mhm. Alright, I'm telling you now, full of flavor, 100% flavor. Kind of tastes like, like rundown, but without the meat. So that the dumpling replace whatever meat, if it's the saltfish or the salt mackerel. So it have the rundown taste, but like better. The sauce nice. I don't even bother want the curry right now. I don't taste the curry yet now. I not say it not taste good because I don't taste it yet. But the coconut sauce, bingo. Now Colors, I forgot to cook this on my own. It tastes good. Four. I time for the chicken, make myself Uncle Socks put him foot in it. Uncle Socks or Bobby Socks? I'll try my socks then. I'm going to taste the curry now. It tastes good too. Full of flavor. I love the little scotch bonnet in there. I love it.
Chef will come the second round.
Remember me did say, if it tastes good at 3.
Okay.
I come sit down so I can eat properly. I come sit down so I can eat properly, but honestly guys, the food is really good. I'm definitely going to try this when I'm back home.
I get 2 dumplings but the meat done for me. But usually, one thing my mother always do what me say and follow.
Mm-hmm.
You guess them and your kids them get first. And then whatever left after, them always say begin. You know, you guess them the best. And me
Right.
grew up with that, so I just follow that teaching.
Right. So even if I look up piece, you're good
Yeah
with
man,
that.
yeah man, I'm good with that man. Just so I know say, you know everybody happy and alright.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, more until I say my belly happy. The food tastes good.
That is it.
The curry chicken tastes good. Me even tell socks. Thanks. Because it go on good and
Yeah.
the coconut dumpling definitely tastes good. It's one of the most talked about foods on Jamaica on YouTube. And you know what I'm saying? I never underestimate it, but I never know for sure. But I say no, I know for sure. Sure it's bad.
Which is
Bad
okay.
as in good.
Yeah, which is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
I love it. It go on good.
This literally bring down thousands of guests. Like every year we have thousands of guests. Sometimes we have cook for like 300 people, 200 people, 150 people. We go school, we go cook, we go all about the place. And everybody, these are them favorite.
Right.
As I say, we have different versions. Sometimes we use pumpkin in it. Sometimes we use different things, callaloo, beetroot. It's up to how minimal you want to make it and how creative you want to get with it.
Right.
Yeah.
I love it. And I'm happy that we finally got to collab
To collab,
here.
yeah, man. It's a good look. It's a
Good energy, good people, good vibes. So
Yeah.
I love that.
That is it.
The socks there, him go on and I tell him thank you. He did a great job.
That I do.
Head over to Socks channel. Where channel name?
Great Socks Adventure.
Socks Adventure. Head over to Climate channel. How it go?
I am adventure.
So head over to their pages, check them out. It's been a great day, good experience. I enjoyed myself and I enjoyed the food. Normally people check in with Granny-lin them because I'm up top to see what the food is like for them, how they might enjoy it. By the way guys, when you remember the shopkeeper from earlier,
When it comes on to coconut dumpling, I cannot eat only 2 or 1 dumpling. Yeah. And them only give me 2 dumplings, I'm still hungry. Yeah. But the coconut dumpling and the curry chicken, everything they shot. Yeah. Everything balanced. So you guys can go subscribe to my YouTube channel at Bofat World. BOPH, the @ T World on YouTube. Go check out my page and subscribe, guys. Thank you. Normally, I'll do like river vlogs. Sometimes river vlogs are adventure on a whole. Sometimes I go to the river. I have a farm. I'm do farming. Daily vlogs sometimes. Yeah. Both at well, guys. Curry, what's your curry gravy?
tick.
Ah,
Fry your plate clean, so. You know, say food is bad. Dumpling, shell off. I do one more, guys, but it finished. So, you can find me on YouTube at Mona Flex JA, Mona Space Flex Space JA. And when I jump over my channel, you know, you can see the whole of farming because I'm an animal lover. So anything I have to do with animal, cow, goat, chicken, yeah man, and a little bit of adventure in the mixture. So big up on yourself, people. Yeah.
We got to plate them clean. Alright, so when I come back up to the top where Granny-lin and Tavia and the kids are, and I'm gonna find out how was the food for them. Cause they didn't come down to the river because as you can see you guys saw earlier. It's pretty deep, pretty steep and slippery. Only Granny-lin came, but she went back after she finished swimming. So now I'm gonna find them and find out how it was from their perspective. There's also another family here up top cooking. So Masuko. That's pretty cool. Everybody out. How was the food?
2 thumbs up.
Yeah?
2 thumbs up.
I just see.
Bad money, bad.
Yes, it is.
Bad.
Oh my God.
It's bad.
How was the food?
Very hot.
Hot, as in the pepper hot?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, the pepper, but it's a nice kind of pepper.
Yes.
Yeah?
And the coconut dumpling.
How was the coconut dumpling?
Very good.
Yeah? How was the coconut dumpling?
Good man, good.
Yeah? And for you, coconut dumpling?
No, that was pakasa.
Pakasa?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. I don't know what that is, but how was it though?
Bad.
Bad as in good.
Bad. Bad till when I say
Bad till
good till it bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go on.
Good till it bad. It happen.
What? Wait.
We meet a lot of friends. We have some new friends down there, down that side. A lot of babies and children.
Aww.
Yeah.
So like I was telling you, I left them up here, up on the top of the river. And there's another family and people up here cooking. So they enjoyed their time up here while I was down in the river with colors. And look at them enjoy themselves up here. And look on her another plate. Lord, look on her. Take your time.
If me no have teeth, and me have the dumplings up. Suppose me they have. My God.
Hear that, colors? She gave 5-star rating. Take your time.
If me no have teeth, and me have the dumplings up. Suppose me they have. My God.
Alright, so we're leaving now. We're going back through the bushes. Alright, we're going back through the bushes now, going back out on the front. It was like a 10-minute walk to get in here. So now after 10 minutes walk back to get to where we park. But it was a great day. As you guys saw. Even better than what you're seeing. Promise you. All good? Alright.
I've never experienced something like this before. Down the hill, up the valley, cross the meadows, cross the gutter, and going on and until we reach the water. It was so good. Beautiful running water. Lots of rocks. You can sit down and wet your foot if you don't want to go dip in the water. Yes, man, it's really relaxing and cool. Only pity never the nearer to the road. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and tell us about the food now.
Yes. And the food now, it was number one. Enjoyable, nice. If you notice, Granny-lin no have no teeth in her mouth, you know. And if you ever see what me do with dumpling,
Yeah.
with gum,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, it was good, it was good, it was good. Yeah, man.
Well, going down to the river was awesome. Girl feel like she fit, just a track down and just a go on and go on and go on. So we reach one little narrow part, you see? Girl a go and hype with herself, you know? A step cross both see, bloops, slip over. Yeah! But anyway, other than that, it was so beautiful. Down by the river was wonderful. But you know what could have make it nice? You see, if them just make up some little 10 things down there, it would have sell off. Because while we were there, about 5 different groups of people came there. 2 of them went back because there wasn't enough seat for them to sit and all of that. So them just swim and go back. So for the food, what you call it? Coconut dumpling. Coconut dumpling, bad. And coconut dumpling with curry. Me's a girl love curry. Me never know say the coconut dumpling and curry was so bad. But 2 thumbs up. Food mad.
Alright guys, so like I said, it was a beautiful day, very good experience. Everything was 100%. And as you can see me, I sweat, I'm tired now, just hike come all the way back up the hill. But it was a good look. And I want to say thanks to Colors.
That is it. Every time. People, this was in the making. But nothing happened before time. One Father God, one Rochielin, one Colors TV.
Alright, Isa.
Take your time.
Alright, and let's go. Alright guys, later. Oh guys, also remember to check out the 3-bedroom townhouse in Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's for rental, Airbnb. Check it out, and remember, when you do, tell them that Rochielin sent you. The link is in the description bar below, which will take you directly to the Airbnb platform so you can book it. And also remember, if you're looking for authentic, traditionally made Jamaican black castor oil, we've got you covered. You can get it from Dumpling at www.dumpling.com. I'll leave a link to it in the description bar below. Also, a lot of you have always been asking me about my Jamaican necklace that I almost never take off. So this is it with the pendant. It's a map of Jamaica and it has all 14 parishes written on it. That is also available on Dumplin's website. I will leave a link to both the castor oil and the necklace in the description bar below so you can go get them for yourself. Alright, thank you so much for watching.
Rochielin traveling the four corner. Rochielin vlogging on no border. Rochielin plant a man banana. Rochielin vlogging on no drama. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Like, share, subscribe. Rochielin, 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 Rochielin. Channel the worldwide.
Rochielin.